So I have this huge problem. You remember that zombie outbreak that happened? And the only problem is with that is, well, they kind of locked it in a cupboard. So the police have rang me saying that they have got them all contained and, well, they came into my house and gave me that. That little sign there says, "Do not push." The only problem is with it saying "do not push," that gives me this small sense of curiosity where I just want to push it, and I thought I'd make this video just to do it. Okay, so, do you want to see me push that button? Are you ready for it? I'm going for it. Hey guys, I'm really excited for this. I can't wait to do it. It says "do not push" and like a skull and crossbones, but that doesn't matter at all, does it? Because you know, that is important to press. Police wouldn't have given it to me. I have all this sense of pride in my head. I'm gonna do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, hello? No, I didn't push the button. No. I don't know what happened. Why?